Wow, it's 101 out here, and all we're getting is heat lightning. It's all over the place, crazy ass shit. It's pretty, but it's 101 out here. So, just standing here doing the photography, I'm sweating like crazy, hoping that it'll eventually rain. I don't know. It's hot. Just thought the world should see how hot. 101. And the lightning's just going crazy, but they're not even calling for rain here in Antioch, Tennessee, which, if you don't know, is right next to Nashville, Tennessee, like a suburb. Alright, just thought you guys should see it. Good night.